What are some fun backyard camping games? Have you ever thought about how backyard camping can bring your family closer together? It is a wonderful way to create lasting memories while enjoying the great outdoors. One of the best parts of backyard camping is the fun games you can play. Let's explore some exciting games that can enhance your family camping experience. First up, scavenger hunts are a fantastic choice. You can create a list of items for everyone to find in your backyard. Think about different types of leaves, flowers, or even specific insects. This game encourages exploration and teamwork, making it perfect for all ages. Next, consider setting up a ring toss. This classic carnival game is easy to create. Use empty bottles or cans as targets and make rings from durable rope. It is a great way to enjoy some friendly competition among family members. Another fun game is tug-of-war. All you need is a long rope and a flag. Divide your family into teams and see who can pull the flag to their side first. This game promotes teamwork and physical activity, making it a hit for everyone. Obstacle courses can also be a great addition to your backyard camping experience. Use items like hula hoops, cones, or even furniture to create a course. This game encourages physical activity and problem-solving skills while keeping everyone engaged. Charades is another enjoyable option. Players act out movie titles, song names, or famous phrases without speaking. This game sparks creativity and laughter, making it perfect for family bonding. Camping bingo is a fun twist on the classic game. Create bingo cards with pictures of camping-related items or backyard objects. Players mark off items they find, making it an interactive way to explore the outdoors together. As the sun sets, flashlight tag becomes an exciting option. This nighttime version of tag adds a thrilling twist as players use flashlights to spot each other. It is sure to keep everyone on their toes. For some water fun, try squirt gun races. Set up empty cups on a table and have players use squirt guns to knock them off. This game is perfect for warm weather and adds a fun competitive element. Cornhole is a popular lawn game that is easy to set up. Players throw bean bags onto a raised platform, making it enjoyable for family members of all ages. Lastly, glowing ring toss is a magical nighttime game. Use glow sticks to create rings and enjoy a glowing version of ring toss. This game is perfect for evening camping sessions and adds a special touch to your backyard fun. These games not only provide entertainment but also help strengthen family relationships. They encourage teamwork, creativity, and quality time together. Backyard camping is a wonderful opportunity to create lasting memories with your loved ones. So gather your family, set up your tent, and get ready for some fun.